Hello all, hey, this is Sopna and you are watching the channel Computer Basics. Here we are learning the basics and fundamentals of the computer system for the primary class children or the beginners. So in this video today we will learn about some formatting, editing in the Microsoft Word document. Some formatting the text styles. So let's start this video. Say this is Microsoft Word window and I have typed some five lines here. Okay, so today we will learn how to change the alignment, the text alignment. So see here I have typed 5 lines. I will change the alignments one by one. So before that, first listen, there are 4 types of alignment, that is align text left, center, align text right and justify. Means left alignment, center alignment, right alignment and justified. Okay, so see, these are the options for the alignment. See here, see this one, align left, this one center, this one align right and this is justify. Okay, so these are the 4 types of alignment. By default in MS Word window the text are aligned in left align. So this text are already in left alignment position. So before set the alignment we have to select the whole text first. So see, this is selected, so this is the left alignment. This one is set to left align. Alignment means to set or it defines the position of the text inside the document. Okay, so this is the by default left alignment. Then I will set it to center. See, that alignment changed, means that the text, that lines are set into the center position. So this is the center alignment. Then next one, this is the right alignment, means all are set to right side. Then the next one is justify. Then this one is similar to left alignment but not same, a little bit difference. So this is left alignment, center alignment, right alignment and justified alignment. So by using these 4 options you can change the text alignment. For this we have some control commands also. Means for left align we have to press CTRL, that control key, plus L. Means by pressing holding and pressing the control key we will press the L key for left align. Then control plus E for center alignment, control plus R for right alignment and control plus J for justified alignment. Okay, to align any type of text, select it first, then choose the type of alignment by clicking from this 4 alignment options. Okay, so this is the process to align the text as left, center, right or justified. So this is the process changing the text alignment. So the next one is case change, CASE, case change. So while typing in the Microsoft Word document we are using type the text in different cases. Different cases means either in lower case or in upper case or in center case. Center case means the first letter of the sentence is capital, like this. Lower case means all are lower. Upper case means all are upper. So these are the different types of case we are using while typing. Here in MS Word, it provides us 5 types of case change. So see, I will show you the options. See here, this A, this capital A small a option is used for case change. See here, it is information rated. Change the selected text to uppercase, lowercase or other common capitalizations. Means this option is used to change the case of the text. So I will show you. See here, sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and the last one is toggle case. So these are the 5 types of case change provided by this Microsoft Word. So one by one we will do. See here there are 5 sentences. So there are 5 case change options are there. So one case change option I will apply to one sentence. So first I will select the first sentence. Okay, then I will select the option case change. Here I will set sentence case. See, this one will change. See, sentence case means this the line, this channel computer basics, this line is already set to sentence case, so that no changes done. So next line, I will select the next line. See, then here lowercase. See, the all letters will be converted to lowercase. See, here changed, all are into the lowercase. Then like this I will change the third one. See, third sentence is selected, then I will change to uppercase. See, all words, all letters are changed into the uppercase. Then the next case change option is capitalize each word. Capitalize each word means every word, every first letter of the word will capitalize. See, T, B, P, F, B, all are capital, means each letter of the word are capital. Then see, then the last sentence is toggle case. Toggle case means see it is also changed. So here are the 5 case change options. Sentence case means changes the sentence or changes the text like a sentence, means the first letter is capital and all others are small letters. Lowercase means all are lowercase letters. Uppercase means all are big letters, uppercase letters. Capitalize each word means each word of the each letter of your word, first letter of your word is capitalized. Then toggle case means it toggles the case, means all capital letters become small and all small letters become capital. So these are the 5 case change options used in Microsoft Word. Then the next option I will show you, this one, line and paragraph spacing. See, here some lines are typed already. I will select all the lines to change the line spacing. See, by default it has some space different between these 2 lines, the first line, second line, third line. So between each and every line there are some default space. Then I will change, see here 1.0, then 1.5, some more space, then 1.5, then 2, then 2.5. See, the space is increasing. So according to our requirement or our choice, we can set this lines and or we can set the space between these two lines. See, I set these lines in 1.5. So by default it is 1.0. Now I set this one into 2. So see, this one is changed. So this is the process how you give space between two lines by using this line spacing, line and paragraph spacing option. You can give space between the paragraph also by using add space before paragraph and remove space before paragraph. These options you can, by using these options you can change the line spacing and paragraph spacing also. So these are all about the small options we are using in MS Word to formatting our text to look it beautiful and emphasizes the document. I hope you like this video. Then press the like button and do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.